Howdy fans, what's up? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. If you're curious on what I'm doing today, in my awesome room today, I'm going to answer your guys and girls questions about why did I rebuild the old Emachine desktop computer with new parts inside of it. Basically, I rebuilt it to use Linux, not to really use Windows. But you can put Windows on it if you choose, like Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1, or even Windows 10. It all pretends of how you use your computers. Now you're going to say, Chris, can this machine edit your videos? It could, but I didn't design it to play video games or to edit. I basically just rebuilt this machine to be just a normal computer for people can just surf on the internet and do certain things on Linux. Linux has some limitations than Windows, should I say. But let's go ahead and show you the hardware of this computer. Alright, here it is. Should I say, this is the rebuild of the Emachine. Basically, the case itself is old. It's 2009, but not too bad. But let's go over some of the features. Okay, we got a SD card reader slot right here. We got two USB 2.0s right there. Basically, a mic and headphones. Basically, under this door is the DVD drive. This is just an expansion slot if you want to put a secondary drive, but it's nothing there. Basically, we got the power and LED light, basically a hard drive activity light, should I say. And underneath this little door here is a actual reset switch, basically. And here's what everything looks like on the inside. Basically, we got a Samsung 250 SSD drive for the boot, and a mechanical storage drive, 1 terabyte drive from Toshiba right there. We got a Bluetooth Wi-Fi card from Intel, a cooling fan, a gigabyte motherboard, a AMD processor, Kingston 8 gigabytes of RAM, power supply, 500 watt power supply to run everything in this machine. But basically, the cable management on this computer is not very good, because remember, this is a very old case at the time when it was put together, should I say. Now on the back, of course, you got your power inlet, got your one off, and basically we got USB 2, PS2 keyboard and mouse, VGA, DVI, HDMI, USB 3, gigabyte Ethernet, USB 2, and basically your mic, audio out and audio in, and of course the Wi-Fi antennas and some expansion slots on the back of this machine, should I say. This is actual EVGA power supply if you're curious, and this is a very good rebuild computer just for basic items and basic surfing the internet and maybe playing some games on this. No, this does not have Windows on it. This has Linux. This is a Linux based machine, and that's the reason why I rebuilt this computer. It's basically just to use Linux on it instead of Windows. But it doesn't matter. Whatever OS you want to use, Windows or Linux, it's all up to you, basically. Alright, if you guys and girls are supporting this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. And thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day. Catch you later.